Hey there everybody, Jason with Fueled UTV. Today we're revealing a brand new, just released side-by-side chase light kit from Diode Dynamics. Now this is based on their SS10 LED light bar, which has a durable aluminum powder-coated construction, is designed, tested, and assembled in the USA, and has a limited lifetime warranty. It's also IP69K water and dust proof. But the game-changing thing about this kit is that it's actually 3 lights in one. It is a third brake light with 3 different strobing patterns, a powerful reverse light, and a chase light with 20 different programmable strobing patterns. Let's change it right now. I made it blink differently. Hit the brakes and the SS10 becomes a very bright brake light. All the programming for this light is easily done with an included magnet. No apps or other devices needed. Tap the front lens and we can cycle through 3 different brake patterns. Using their patented TIR optics and powerful LEDs, the SS10 chase light provides an auxiliary reverse light that is several times brighter than stock bulbs. The reverse function can be wired to activate automatically when the vehicle is placed in reverse. If your machine did not come with a reverse light, you can wire the reverse light function to an individual switch, like we did in this case on this Maverick X3. The main purpose of this light is as a chase light. If you ride in a group, a chase light is a must. A bright chase light significantly improves visibility in conditions like dust, fog, or snow, preventing rear-end collisions. We wired the chase light function to a switch up front, flip it on, and you'll be seen in all conditions. Like I touched on earlier, there are 20 different strobing patterns for the chase light. To program it, you use this included magnet, and you simply tap the front lens right here, and you keep going, cycling through, until you choose a pattern that either you or the people behind you like best. So that's how the light works. Let's throw back to how we installed it on this built-out Maverick X3.
The kit includes a wiring harness and extension. Here's what each wire is for.
So we're gonna take this to ground. This we're gonna take to a brake light signal. This we're going to go to a switch so he can turn on and off the chase light function, and then this is going to go to a switch so he can turn on and off reverse light function.
You also receive mounting brackets and hardware. For this X3 project, we ended up creating a custom bracket using the original as a template.
Now if this X3 didn't have this SMB in place, we probably could use the included brackets on a mount like that, but we're making our own. If this video is helping you out, hit that thumbs up button and let us know what you think of the chase light and this Maverick X3 down in the comments. And we are working hard towards 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube, so we'd love your help. Hit that subscribe button.
Try to zip tie it up somewhere up behind it where you can't really see it.
Wiring the light is straightforward. We ran the extension from the light into the cab. From there, each function was connected up to the harness. For the brake light, we tied into a street legal kit harness. The reverse light and chase light functions were wired to toggle switches and connected to the 12-volt battery and a factory ground. We tested everything and pushed the toggle switches into place. And it's as simple as that.
To pick up this kit and any parts that you might need for your machine, FueledUTV.com is your one-stop shop. Give our team of experts a call for advice, recommendations, or if you're researching what fits on your machine. Until next time, I'm Jason with Fueled UTV, and we'll see you out on the trail.